Well, I don't know how this is going to come out because the sunlight's kind of in a weird angle here. But 70 degrees today, over 70 here in northwest Arkansas, and had to put a little bit of air in my front tire there. And I'm going to take my bike out for a little ride. My back brakes are starting to drag a little bit, so I'm going to have to get new pads. And I'm going to, after I go for a little ride, I'm going to come back here and then go up to the motorcycle shop and see if I can get an estimate on doing the brakes. But first startup of the year. We'll see how it goes. I had the carburetors cleaned, rebuilt, and jetted. And ever since I did, the choke on the bike is pretty much useless. I used to put it on a quarter choke and start it and it would warm right up. Now you just got to sit there and play with it because he couldn't get it right. There was some gremlins going on. I talked about it but never got into it. But we'll see how this goes. Get over here, Spider. Good. I will use some choke. Prove me wrong. $3 for this helmet. That is a double XL on my big fat head. But yeah, got a $5 helmet, a $5 head, $300 helmet, and a $300 head. Blow the cobwebs out of it. Hasn't been started